Hi, my name is Jiya. I'm a parent of grade 7 Parina Mulani. We were very surprised at how accommodative they were. I had requested for a few changes in the tour itinerary. I requested for an upgrade in the flights and they didn't have any problem with it. And when we actually went, a week before the main tour, we had a talk about the hotel and accommodations which Parina had attended. I totally recommend Vooya tour for students who are planning to study in the UK. Even if you don't plan to study in the UK, I think it's a very good learning process. Most of the scholars all over the world always harbor this secret wish to see Oxford and Cambridge and how life is like there. Even if you don't plan to study in Oxford or Cambridge, I think it's nice to just see the buildings. Our tour owner, she has made the tour very, very useful and entertaining, as well as efficient and systematic. She was also very hands-on with the workshops. I really enjoyed all the workshops. Most of the workshops that she had chosen were very hands-on. Despite being a graduate myself, I think in these 8 days I have learned a lot about robotics, about the general building, the stock exchange, things that you wouldn't randomly learn if not for these workshops. I'm glad I had enrolled as a participant with my daughter. The earlier reason why I had enrolled as a participant and not a parent was because I wanted to be side by side with my daughter while she was learning. I wanted to be next to her as well, just to ensure that she was safe. But I didn't think I need to worry. Even if she had gone alone without me, she would have been perfectly fine because Miss Stephanie has planned everything in a very nice way. She has done it, that the students are completely rested, as well as they managed to get a feel of the London life here. I think that's about it. Yeah, thank you.